Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you how to update your time as well as your date or military time if you choose that setting as well. So we'll start the vehicle and then just wait a few moments for everything to turn on. Then we're going to go to this config button, and then here you can scroll between your options. So we're going to go to time and date settings and push, and then here same thing, you just scroll to whichever setting you want to change. So obviously it's not 2012, so let's go ahead and change that. And same thing, you just scroll till you get to what you need. And then same thing here, just scroll to what you need and keep going through. And then again, and then it just auto saves. And then same with this, if you want it military time, you just push and it just switches each time you push. And then to change the time, just right in here, same thing, you push in here, and just like we did with the date, you just scroll up or down as needed until you get to what makes sense. Same with minutes, and that's it. And it should all be auto saved for you, so you could just shut the vehicle off now and or go back to your radio or whatever you choose, and it'll be updated. Hope that was helpful, and hope you have a great day.